Good afternoon. Here we can see the charging system of loading siding in some of the railways. But in this system, we know that both the isolator is provided with earthing hill. So any wrong sequence of isolator operation may cause that short circuit and tripping of circuit breaker. As for example, we are getting feed from the isolator side, and if you close the double pole isolator first, then there will be a CV tripping, because another isolator on the other end, the earthing hills is connected, the which is earth, so the CV will trip. So how to charge this? First you open the double pole isolator of the other end, from where it is taking the supply and extend up to this isolator, and then close the isolator from where the isolator switch is there, so it is safe. And for discharging, you do the reverse thing. First you open the double pole isolator, say DPI 1 first, then there will be no power supply. Then you open the DPI of the DPI 2, then it is safe. This sequence must be maintained. But another problem is there. In this two double pole isolator system, the another end crossover will not get feed when the isolator is in open condition, and any wrong shunting of electric loco may cause life to at dead position, bridging by the pantograph, and which breakdown may occur, which may entangle with the main line. Any wrong shunting operation. So it is unsafe. These two double pole isolator, it is unsafe. C1 দেখেছেন নাকি? Friends, in some railways, for isolation of loading siding, they are using two double pole isolators. But it has some drawback also, because when the loading siding will be under power lock, the tailing portion will also be dead, which is connected to the turnout after the section insulator. So by mistake, if any pantograph will enter for by the wrong shunting, the pento will breach the section insulator life to dead, and a breakdown will occur which will affect the main line also. But instead of DPI2 as single pole isolator, not DPI, it will be then SPI. Then this problem can be solved. But the tailing portion after the neutral section must be charged by some means. When the locomotive pantograph will enter by mistake due to wrong shunting, the locomotive will go, and in the neutral section the circuit breaker of the locomotive will trip, and the persons who are working in the loading siding can be protected. Hello, good morning. The probable possibility for safety of the siding, we can make the shunting neck, we can extend the wiring of the loading siding up to the shunting neck with one tension length or two tension length, and separate the two turnout. Here now it will be crossover individually make these two end crossover and provide single pole isolator instead of double pole isolator for safety, because if you follow the previous system, if any loco by accident enter into the section insulator of the other end where the isolator is not provided, then there may be a OHE breakdown which may affect the main line. To avoid the accident on main line, better to wear the shunting neck with a with one tension length or two tension length as per the length of the siding. So it is the thought. You can study it and please inform me. Okay, thank you.